Hi, this is Mr. Abdul Afridi. Today I'm going to teach you simple past tense in detail. As you know that simple past tense is really important. Everyone needs to use it a lot because the requirement of this one is pretty important in our conversation. People usually go for simple past tense because when you talk about simple past tense or past time, you need to use simple past tense. Therefore, it is pretty important for everyone to know about simple past tense, that what simple past tense is. Well, before getting to its definition, we will talk about its structure. Well, the structures, we have subject, second form of verb, plus rest of the sentence. Well, the structure of simple past tense is pretty simple. First, we need to use subject. This is the subject. If I say, well, subject, I use Ahmad. Then second form of verb. In simple past tense, we always use second form of verb. Ahmad, okay, played. Play is the first form of verb, and when you want to change this one to second form, we need to use ed. Played. Ahmad played football yesterday. Ahmad played football yesterday. This is subject. Ahmad is the subject, and second form of verb. Play is first form of verb, and by adding ed it becomes second form of verb. Ahmad played football yesterday. So this one is rest of the sentence, or football is an object. If you want to change this one to negative, we follow then the second structure, negative structure. We can say Ahmad, we use, well, again the subject, we need to go for the subject Ahmad, and then did. Well, this is did, and after did is to do auxiliary verb. Therefore, we need to use first form of verb. After did, we always use base form of verb or first form of verb. Ahmad did not, well, did not, then first form of verb. So first form of played is play. First form of played is what? Play. Ahmad did not play football yesterday. Ahmad didn't play football yesterday. Well, this one is negative. If you want to change this one to interrogative, then we follow the last structure. Did we use at the beginning? Did. Then again we use subject. Subject is Ahmad with us here. Did Ahmad. And then first form of verb. First form of played is play. Did Ahmad play football yesterday? Then time, adverb of time, yesterday, and question mark at the end, because it is a question. Did Ahmad play football yesterday? Well, for an interrogative, we need to use first did, and then subject. Did is here. This is did, and then subject. Ahmad is subject, and then first form of verb. Well, the first form of played is what? Play. We avoid ed, so it simply comes play. Did Ahmad play football yesterday? And at the end we use question mark because it is a question. Well, this one is simple past tense. First we need to use positive structure. In positive structure we use subject. We have subject. Ahmad is a subject. Ahmad is a subject here. And second form of verb, we use second form of verb. And then rest of the sentence, well, this is rest of the sentence. In negative subject, we use subject, and then did not, well, did not, and first form of verb, play. And then rest of the sentence, you can say yesterday. Well, for interrogative, we use date. This is date, and then subject, first form of verb. As I told you before that we always use first form of verb after did. In negative and interrogative sentences, we use first form of verb. Bear in mind, never ever try to forget this one. that in interrogative and negative sentences we use first form of verb or base form of verb because of this to do auxiliary verb. So if you want to make another example, or you want to just make an example in simple past tense, you can say she or he went. This is the second form of go. Look at, he is subject, he is a subject here, and second form is went. He went where? To school. He went to school. When? Last Friday. He went to school last Friday. Well, how can we change this one to interrogative, negative one? Then he and did not, he did not, and first form of verb is go. The first form of go is went is go. He did not go to school last Friday. If you want to change this one to interrogative, you can bring did at the beginning. To the beginning, you should use did at the beginning, and then subject, and then first form of verb. For example, if I say, did he go to school yesterday? So this is a question. Well, this is all about simple past tense. If you want to make, a state in simple past tense, or an example to show a state, so you can say you need to use second form of is MR. Well, the second forms of is MR are was and were. Well, these are the second forms of is MR. Well, for is and am we use was, and for are we use were. For singular nouns and pronouns we use was, and for plural nouns and pronouns we use were in simple past tense. For a state, if you want to make a state in simple past tense, for example, he was busy. He was busy yesterday. So this is, the state in simple past tense. In definition, we say that simple past tense is used to show an action or state that started and ended at the particular time in the past.